Now, Meridian Russian Lovers, selamat siang Russian Lovers. Today, I'm going to review about this, to say baking stuff. Jadi siang ini saya akan mengulas baking stuff, especially flour and others that I usually use when I bake something. Ketika saya memanggang sesuatu ya. Okay, so first I will review about muka or flour. In Russia they call flour muka. In Indonesia we usually easy to find all-purpose flour, high protein flour, middle protein flour, but here I don't know. I couldn't find. I couldn't differentiate which one high protein, which one all-purpose flour, like that. For me, as I use, there is no different, almost no different for me. Jadi kalau di Indonesia kan gampang kita bisa pakai mengenali tepung itu gampang, tepung jenis tinggi, tepung protein tinggi, tepung protein rendah, tepung protein sedang. Kalau misalnya protein tinggi itu kan yang cakra ya. Kalau yang tepung all purpose flour itu kalau di Indonesia segitiga biru, blue triangle, something like that. But here is hard. So all you have to do, you have to try. In Russia you have to try whether it is good for cake or it is good for cookies or it is good for common usage. Jadi kalau untuk yang keperluan biasa seperti bikin pancake, but here in Russia is awesome because you can buy pancake flour. They have lots of variants for pancake flour. They call pancake is blini. In Russia they call blini. Jadi tepung pancake itu macam-macam di sini ya. Jadi ada yang dari bunga tepungnya, kemudian ada yang macam-macam lagi. Also here you can easily find chorny heliab flour or black bread flour, something like that, or all variants easy to find here. Okay, I will try from flour that I already use. Jadi yang ulasan ini saya kasih ulasan yang tepung yang pernah saya coba aja. Here is Franzuzskaya Zernovaya. Berarti ini whole wheat. Высокое содержание пищевых волокон. Nah ini ya, I really like this brand because somehow good for my cake. But you can use any kind of cake. All you have to do, you just have to find here. This is belly. Belly means protein. Belly protein around 11.5 gram. 11,5 gram. Ini ada tulisan belly ya. Kemudian ada Jerry itu fatnya 2.2 gram. So since it is like green, inside is totally brown here. Nah ini I already make this in one of my playlist culinary sausage. I use this one, it is good. It's wet bread, wet flour. Nah ini ada tulisan selno, berarti whole wheat. But when I make martabak, I cannot make it elastic, so it is not good for making martabak because not suitable. But for bread is awesome. Jadi kalau buat martabak jangan pakai yang ini ya. Kalau pakai martabak yang biasa aja, tepung yang biasa aja. Tapi kalau yang ini, kalau misalnya mau bikin roti, ini bagus sekali, sehat. Okay, so here's, but be careful to check the expired one here. There is no expired or no, because in Russia they use this one, Srok Godnosti 6 Mesyev. Godnosti ini apa ya? expirednya. Jadi 6 bulan, 6 masjid chef. So you have to find this one, Sroggot Nosti. I forgot. My husband ever said that Sroggot Nosti. Jadi kalau Indonesia kita kelihatan misalnya it's easy in Indonesia. I can find, for example, production date and then expired date, but here you have to read, because sometimes they just put the date of production, and then you have to calculate. So you have to read carefully, written there how long for expired date. Like this Sroggot Nosti is 12 and dinasat Mesjid Chef. Nah ini 12 bulan Sroggot Nosti-nya. Sroggot Nosti-nya itu 12 bulan. Expired date-nya 12 months. So don't store too much. Jadi jangan disimpan terlalu banyak ya. Muka tepung. Nah yang ini belly-nya mana ya? So for protein 10 gram, for ziri 1.0 gram. Nah ini you can use for flour, for purpose flour, for this one. Ini bisa digunakan untuk macam-macam ya, bisa untuk bakwan. Okay, so here, but here also you can use for, see they said Shenich Naya Lebo Pekar Naya. You can use for bread too. Jadi ini bisa digunakan untuk apa namanya, buat roti. Nah another one like this one, I not yet try this one before. This she sort high quality. Nah ini high quality. Ini Nye saderjit GMO, tidak ada penambahan, there is no addition of GMO. Sroggot Nosti itu ada Masjid Chef. Nah ini expirednya 12 bulan, hampir setahun ya. Nah ini mana ya, 10.3 gram for belly protein, ziri 1.1 gram. Jadi proteinnya 10,3 gram, jadi agak lebih setingkat lebih daripada yang ini. Nah ini malah dikasih gambar, there is like pie, but I not yet try. But overall you can use for all purpose. Another one that I often use is this one. It's my favorite one because somehow awesome. My cake here. This I really like this brand. Not advertisement, but I already use, and I like it. Just my review. So this one is good for baking, for bread, for anything. It is very good, high quality. This one belly 10.1 gram. Nah proteinnya 10,1 gram, zirnya 0.9 gram ya. See like this, a bit different from the green one, because see look white. So this one good for cake, for anything, for bread also too, for pizza also too. Like today I'm going to make brownies by using this one. Jadi mau dihabiskan dulu ya, jangan sampai nggak dihabiskan, nanti dia kutuan. Okay, I will step aside first for a while. Now the important things of this is, for baking you need soda pishevaya. This is soda for a cake or for anything. For example, you want to clean something fat from your pan, you can put this one together with a soap, liquid soap. Jadi ini bisa digunakan juga untuk membersihkan apa ya, membersihkan lemak-lemak di panci, pakai tinggal ditambahin liquidnya. So in Russia they call soda. This is for cakes, for cookies, for anything. So this is for cooking too. Nah, jadi seperti ini ya, ada di sini. So in Russia they have soda for cooking. And another one is Baking powder. At first I didn't know how to find baking powder. There is no baking powder, but this one, Ras Little Testa. Ini baking powder. So this is called in Russia. This is baking powder. It's called baking powder. Is Ras Little Testa. Nah ini namanya baking powder. Jadi baking powder ada di Rusia. Kemudian vanillin. There are two types of vanillin. Vanillin, only vanillin, and this one vanilni sahar. Vanilni sahar. Nah ini with additional of sugar. Sahar means sugar. So usually they put this in donut or other recipe that need this one, vanilla sahar, or just usual one. Jadi ini vanili yang ada tambahan gulanya. Okay, already put. Now how to find Milo or Malaka or milk. Here in Russia they have huge amount of variants of milk. There's liquid milk, but for powder dry milk, like powder milk, you can find, but not so common in small supermarket. Nah, but here I bought in Linea, supermarket Linea. Namanya kalau misalnya susu bubuk kering itu namanya Suhoe Malaka. Suhoe Malako. Nah ini ya. So this one is dried milk or milk powder. Jadi ini namanya milk powder. Suhoe Malaka. Okay. And then this one, there are various of apa namanya, yeast, dry yeast here, and also fresh yeast, but I didn't buy because once you use that for spezi droji, you must use that as soon as possible because you cannot keep it longer. Di sini ada ragi basah, tapi dia harus cepat-cepat digunakan, nggak bisa disimpan terlalu lama. Ada ya di supermarket, you can find. But so this one that I review is dry yeast. This one's of moment drozi bistro dis to shade lias dobe. Nah ini this one searomatum vanili. Nah ini with vanili taste, smell. Jadi ini ada vanilanya. Ini untuk roti, for bread. I really like to use this of moment because they're faster. My dough become faster to ferment it. Or this one for pizza, lukum dengan a taste of smells onion. This is for pizza. Droji many years. I never tried this before, but I often use this for pizza, for bread, and it is very faster. So this one also for anything, for bread, for pizza, you can use anything. I ever used this one for bread, for pizza, it works well. Jadi ini cepat sekali. Nah ini ada lagi levior droji hlevo ikarni suhi aktifnya. Napitkov. Dlia vipeshki I napitkov. It means that it can use for drink too. For fermented drink, also for bread, for anything, and also for drink. Jadi ini bukan hanya untuk roti aja, tapi bisa dibikin untuk fermentasi minuman, ya. Ini I not yet try this. I want to try. Nah, jadi seperti ini ya. Ini this is for dry yeast, so you can easily find in Russia. Okay, now I talk about nallet flour, or flour that like this one, Risofaya Muka 100 zerno. So rice flour you can easily find here. Here is Ashan, from Ashan. I bought this one. So you can find with other brand also in supermarket, in Russian supermarket. It's easy to find rice flour. Jadi mudah untuk ditemukan. Tepung beras itu ada di sini, kemudian tepung maizena alias tepung jagung itu ada juga. Here muka kukurusnaya, it means corn flour. So you can easily find like this, but like this. Nah, jadi ini tepung jagung, corn flour, easy to find in Russia too, in any supermarket in Russia. Di supermarket Russia itu ada. Kemudian one more. At first I couldn't find sagu or tapioca flour or tapioca starch here, but I found the substitute for that. Here, krahmal. Krahmal is potato starch. Jadi ini pati kentang, bisa digunakan sebagai pengganti sagu atau tepung tapioka. So this one you can substitute this krahmal or potato starch for sagu or tapioca flour. You can use this one. I often use this and it works well with my recipe, like that one, like what else, pempek. You can easily find in my YouTube link playlist channel in culinary. So like this, the texture really same. Of course the smells different, but it doesn't bother. Jadi tidak mengganggu ya baunya itu, karena ini pati kentang dan itu bagus sekali. Okay, I think that's all for my review. Of course, lots of stuff that I not yet review, but so far these that I often use when I bake or when I make something. Okay, I think that's all for today's recipe. Today's review. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to press notification button so you never miss our update video. Jadi jangan lupa untuk berlangganan, kemudian di-share, di-like, di-komen, dan ditekan tombol notifikasinya supaya kamu nggak ketinggalan video-video kami selanjutnya. That's it. Hanya Russian Lovers. Sampai jumpa Russian Lovers. Pakai.